Is it just me, or is all rednecks fascinated by tornadoes? I swear, man, I can see a tornado coming, and I'm ready to jump in my vehicle, find me a video camera, and chase that thing down. It's like enamoring to me, man. It's like a woman looking at a diamond. I'm just intrigued. This shit's exhilarating, man. I remember when I lived in Oklahoma a while back, man. Probably about 10, 15 years ago. Everybody be piling into the storm cellars. I'm the only dumbass redneck out there on top of the storm cellar watching the tornado literally 200 yards from me. The wind trying to blow me off the storm cellar. Man, I love that shit. It's a rush. Peace out, America. Stay safe.